Okay, now I will give a word to Miroslav, who is VP of Engineering from us. He will now talk more about and showcase how to actually integrate a buy button into your website and how easy it can get.
I work for Paybis for more than 6 years already, and I'm one of the people behind our on-ramp product. So if something doesn't work, I'm probably the one who's lost sleep over it. Okay, so today, of course, my colleague Roman, he will help you with the integration as well. So let's catch up after the presentation. So today I'll walk you through how to integrate a fiat to crypto on-ramp into your project, basically in a way that's fast, secure, and smooth. So let's stick to the agenda. I will talk about two main integration options. So it's standalone and API-based. Then we'll talk about signing and security, and basically I walk you through what's needed to embed your the ramp in your front end. And finally, we'll have a quick demo showing you how to integrate on-ramp into your project in just 5 minutes. So really amazing. So let's start with the standalone. So it's the fastest way to integrate. Basically, you generate an URL with parameters, then you sign it, and basically you're done. You can redirect your users to the ramp or embed it in an iframe. We handle everything else, from KYC to payment to support. Next integration option is API-based. Let's look at it. Here, your backend creates a session using signed request. Basically, you get a session ID and your frontend loads the ramp using this session ID. This gives you much more control than standalone, but it's a bit complicated integration. So let's compare these two. So standalone, as we figured out, is faster to integrate, and Paybis hosts the whole experience. API-based takes longer time to set up, but it gives you full control over the session, data, and user flow. Security. Security is the key for both options. In standalone, you just sign the URL, and in API-based, you sign the request body. So both methods ensures that the session is authentic, untampered, and tied to your partner credentials. The next thing is, once the session is created, you can embed the ramp inside your frontend. You can use our web SDK to control the widget and keep your users in your flow. So everything is handled by the web SDK. No worries, no events to be captured or something. So the SDK provides you access to real-time feedback, like when the user completes transaction or cancels it. And for if you are not familiar or not happy with using, for example, web SDK, you can create your own, let's say, iframe element in your front end. And but you need to consider that there are some requirements. So basically, you need to configure iframe permissions and handle payment gateway events. So it's important. And now let's go to the live part. We'll start with the coding. So for today, I've prepared a link for you. You can basically scan it. So I will give you some seconds to scan it if you want. So it will be a website without just like a partner website with some backend and our poster. Okay, ready? All right, so here's the website. It doesn't contain anything, but we'll add here a button which opens a widget. Let's refresh it. Nothing's here. Okay, so let's go to the coding session. At first, we need to, as I mentioned before, we need to create a signature. So let's go to our documentation. We got really great documentation here on docs.payb.is, and we'll go to recipes. So here we'll go to recipe, which called create HMAC. And let's see. So we will need to add dependencies at first. So let's copy this thing and put it here. So we add crypto dependency. Next, we will need to alphabetically sort the query string with query parameters. Let's do it. It's here. Okay, next, we will need to decode the predefined already HMAC secret in base 64 format from environment variable. Let's do it. And then the last thing, we just create signature. And the last thing, we would need to as here we can see we have a post method, like an endpoint. So we will need to return these parameters. So let's do it. So it's partner ID and its signature. Okay. Let's see. I got speaker here. Yes, looks good. Great. So let's save it. So this is our backend part. And now we will add a button to this page. So at first, we will go to our recipes and let's open standalone integration with Web SDK. So we open the recipe and we can see the first thing we should do is to inject Web SDK. Let's do it. We just inject the script. Next thing, we just need to add button. But as of I have my own website, so I have different styles and so on, so I will get it from here. Next, you can see that button has an event on click and it just calls open widget method. So we will need to define it and it will do something. So I already have some method with just some kind of changing UI, so it's okay. And now we will attach a handler to it. So basically we will need to call the script, call the backend, and then we should get the partner ID and signature we just configured before. So let's just copy it. we'll just put in here, like that. We will just change the endpoint path, if I remember it correctly, so it will be this. Let me check. Yeah, great. So next, we're good to go. So let's deploy our changes, and after kind of 20 seconds we can refresh the page and it will work, hopefully. Okay, we got our button here appeared, and let's rest. Interesting. Unfortunately, gods of demo are cruel. So let's see what we can do here. Debug. I think I must be failed with this. Let's recheck it. Maybe it's no, it's good. Here, let's check the code. Partner ID. D. All good. Let's deploy it one more time. It just happens.
Two hands.
Oh, okay, yeah, please.
Let's see if it's the second hand will help now.
Yeah. No worries, no worries. Yeah, okay. So it's almost here.
We are recording this. Tell to the guys who are watching it, it's kind of how do you debug as well.
Mm-hmm.
So people who integrate us understand.
Yeah, sure. But gods of demo are, yeah, cruel, so. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Hope so, hope so. Okay, we're good now. That's great. So, and now let's try to make a transaction. Why not?
Yeah. Let's buy some.
Okay, guys. So, I will copy the address and we will buy some Ethereum. Yeah.
That's what the conference.
Okay, let's spend some money.
Yeah. Check the price, guys, and the changes. It's gonna go up now.
Okay, so I will input the address. Oh, I've got some data here. Let's use it.
The card we used before.
Yep, exactly.
Don't remember his.
Yeah, sure. Please don't. All right. And starting from this moment, basically in a couple of seconds, we'll. Great, thank you. So in a couple of seconds, we'll have our crypto transfer. So let's proceed with 3DS and give it a second. The payment, yeah, has been processed. And in a couple of seconds, we'll get.
Well, there are a lot of things to check when the customers don't know. Okay, it's so fast. couldn't even explain it. That's good. We are processing cars this fast, even faster than this. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you, Konstantin. Thank you guys, and I hope you really like this presentation. It was real, it was live coding, everything happens. So just debugging and working on it. So see you, catch up, and if you want to integrate our widget, our on-ramp in your own project, please, guys, come to me or Roman, and we'll help you, and we'll resolve all this. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.